everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about importance of follow-up in homeopathy. Follow-up is a very crucial or very important part in homeopathic treatment. After the remedy is given during the first prescription, it is very important for a homeopathic doctor to know that what changes has occurred in the patient, right? Because every person's body is different and hence the response to the homeopathic medicines also will differ in each patient. That is, in some patient, they can feel the improvement very fast, and in others, it may take some time for the medicines to show the effect. So the changes can be either improvement of symptoms or there is no change, right? Like how the patient was before, even after the medicine, the patient is same, or in some cases, even the symptoms can get worse. So according to a particular situation, the homeopathic doctor will decide what to do next in the treatment course. So sometimes patients, they ask that, send the same medicines, doctor, right? So we cannot send the same medicines just like that without analyzing the follow-up. So any change, either good or bad, should be told to your homeopathic doctor during follow-up so that they can decide the further treatment plan. The change can be in the disease symptoms or at the level of body or at the level of mind. Everything should be told to your homeopathic doctor. Also, follow-up will not take as much time as compared to the first consultation. So it is convenient for the patient as well to attend the follow-up. Also, it is very important for the patient to keep in mind that they have to come for the follow-up before their medicines gets over and not after the medicine gets over, so that they maintain the regularity or the continuity of taking medicines. So the follow-up in homeopathy is slightly different when compared to other system of medicine, because even if you feel better, you might have to continue the medicines for some time to complete the course of treatment for long-term relief. So follow-up is basically analyzing the changes in the patient before and after taking homeopathic medicines. So this is about follow-up in homeopathy, and if you are under homeopathic treatment, make sure that you don't miss your follow-up. That's all for today's video. I hope this video was useful. If it was, do share it with your friends and family and spread awareness about homeopathy. Also subscribe to my channel to remain updated and start your journey on being healthy. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.